Pineapple upside down cake is by far one of my favorite desserts. See below for the full recipe and the reason why I make it in a cast iron pan. Instead of a cake batter, I use a very simple muffin recipe that comes together in just minutes. The trick to getting a light, fluffy cake is to not overmix your batter. That comes into play once you've added the flour though, so don't worry about that just yet. In the mason jar, I've got all my wet ingredients together: milk, oil, and vanilla. Likewise, that other bowl has all of my dry ingredients. Scrape the sides as you mix, and make sure that you just don't see any more streaks of flour or big lumps. A cast iron skillet is perfect for any sort of upside down cake because you can saute your toppings and then put it straight into the oven. I'm using a mixture of light and dark brown sugar, but you can use one or the other. You just need the sugar to melt a bit before adding the pineapple. This may be a little controversial, but I prefer to use crushed pineapple instead of big rings. It definitely makes the cake easier to cut. I'm doing this one-handed, but when you drop in the batter, you definitely want to spread it around as much as you can around the pan. Cherries are in season right now, so I'm using a combination of fresh cherries and jarred maraschino. If your cake has a hump from the batter being distributed unevenly, just trim it off with a sharp bread knife. You can see where I poured too much batter in the middle of the pan. This has a bit of a retro 70s feel to it, but I don't mind because I like how colorful it is.